Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Dude, just back up. Try to back up. Dude, go right immediately. Just go right.
I can't.
Just floor it. Just go.
I'm scared.
Just go back up. Go fast. Go fast. Back up.
Okay.
Right here. Just go. Bust a U-turn. No. No, 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 no.
Damn.
You should have just hit him.
No, I'm not gonna f***ing hit him.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Yeah, like a cadaver. They just have cadaver good.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Don't know what that was about.
Experience holiday magic during Amal and the Night Visitors, a beloved family opera starring multi-Grammy Award and Olivier Award winner Joyce DiDonato at Lincoln Center Theater, directed by Tony Award.
What are you trying to do?
well as spying on their own citizens and people abroad, you know, like the usual extensive internet censorship, where they're actually going to punish their own citizens for just criticizing the CCP. But speaking of bad actors spying on what they're doing, so it's private internet access.
They be on Zojumi, they be like, let me kiss at me. Rubber their head, you know, hey, come on, Scooby. Come on, they rubber their head, you know, hey, come on, Scooby.
Oh my God.
Stop, man, you hurt your foot. Stop, there's ice in there. Yo, listen. Video protect.
God damn it!
Current loop video.
What was that? You okay?
No. No.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.